Our next word is bilik. Bilik, which means room in English. So again, how do you write this in Sulat Sug? So first we identify the vowels. So we have ba, lam, and ka. Separate them, ba, lam, and ka. What are their vowels? So ba has a vowel E or I, and lam has a vowel E, and K has no vowel sounds. So we're going to spell them in Sulat Sug, starting with the first letter. So we have the huruf ba, and now its baris is ba, which is E. So now we write the vowel below. So this is B. Ba ding hababa, B. Ba baris hababa, B. Then next we have lam. Lam like this, and its baris is E. So the vowel should be down. Ba ding hababa, B. Lam ding hababa, li, bili. And lastly we have the letter K. So in Sulat Sug, letter K is kap. It's written like this if it's individual, and it has no vowel sound, so we put the sukun. But when we connect them, it will appear like this. Okay, if it's connected, well, it's in the middle, but if it's at the end, we use this one. So disregard this one. Okay, so this is how you spell bilik. So ba ding haba bi, lam ding haba li, munu kap lik, bilik. And if we connect them, ba lam kap, ba ding haba bi, lam ding haba li, munu kap lik, bilik. Okay, baluy, bilik. Subscribe.